Hey guys, I am Devendra from Beebom.com and we are here in China for the launch of Realme X. And this right here is the brand new Realme X that has a lot of new features. So let's get started. So this is the new Realme X, and this is a phone that brings a lot of new features and firsts when it comes to Realme phones. Well, let's take it one by one. Starting off with the design, this is a phone that looks good. And to be honest, Realme X reminds me a lot of the new OnePlus phones with a similar S-shaped pattern. Now, like past Realme phones, this again is a plastic that looks like glass. But when it comes to in-hand feel, it's very matte and it definitely does not feel like glass. Then there's the almost bezel-less front. Yes, this is the first Realme phone without any kind of notch and I like it. The phone has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 5 and so far it looks really good. And yeah, this makes the Realme X first Realme phone with an AMOLED display. Now that means you get the usual AMOLED features like true deep blacks and vibrant punchy colors. Awesome, right? Now this phone has a bezel-less display thanks to this, and the pop-up camera goes in and out very quickly, as you can see. This is me trying out face unlock with the pop-up camera and well, it seems pretty speedy, right? There's also an in-display fingerprint scanner here. The Realme X has a 6th gen optical fingerprint scanner and it features a DSP acceleration technology which is supposed to make it very fast. Well, right now it definitely seems quick and snappy, but yeah, we will be testing things out more extensively. Apart from that, the phone has all the usual buttons, the dual SIM card slot, but mind you, there is no micro SD card slot here, which is a little sad. Then there is the headphone jack and the USB-C port, which makes the Realme X the first Realme phone with a USB-C port. And this is a first I quite like. Plus it keeps the amazing VOOC 3.0 fast charging on board, which is pretty great. Moving on, let's check out the other specs of the phone. So these are the specs of Realme X. Apart from the new beautiful AMOLED display, the Realme X has the Snapdragon 710 on board with 8GB RAM and 128GB UFS 2.1 storage. I know there's no Snapdragon 730 or the flagship Snapdragon 855, but I guess the flagship chipset is being reserved for the Realme X Pro, which hasn't been launched today. Coming back to the 710, yes, it's no flagship chipset, but we have seen the Realme 3 Pro perform really well, so it should be good on Realme X as well. When it comes to the software, the Realme X has ColorOS 6 on board with Android 9 Pie. And as Rupesh told you in our Realme 3 Pro review, ColorOS 6 is definitely an improvement over older versions of the UI, and it packs in all the features you need. So it's a win-win. Also, the Realme 3 Pro already has Android Q beta support, so I'm expecting the same for Realme X as well, whenever it launches in India. Next up, on the camera front, the Realme X has a dual camera setup with a 48 megapixel f1.7 Sony IMX586 primary sensor and a 5 megapixel depth sensor, and this is another first. The Realme X is the first Realme phone with a 48 megapixel sensor. Well, I've taken a few pictures with the phone, so take a look. As you can see, the photos from the phone do look good so far, but it's still early days. On the front, there's a 16 megapixel camera and here are a few selfies from the pop-up camera. Take a look. Lastly, there's the battery. The phone has a 3765 mAh battery, which combined with VOOC 3.0 fast charging should be decent enough. So that was pretty much everything about the brand new Realme X. And I know it's very similar to the Realme 3 Pro because it has Snapdragon 710 chipset, but it has some upgrades that I really like. In China, the phone starts at 1500 yuan, which is around 15,000 rupees, and at that price you get a bezel-less design, an AMOLED display, pop-up cameras and the modern USB-C port and a 48 megapixel camera. So yeah, I am excited about the Realme X and I can't wait for it to come in India. So that was our first look at the brand new Realme X. So how do you like it? Do let us know in comments down below. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoyed it. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. That's me signing off. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.